So I'm just taking a look at this Suzuki Carry. You can get K-trucks like this shipped over from Japan for pretty dang inexpensive compared to a lot of different things. So we're just gonna take it for a ride. See how this four-wheel drive works and see what it's like as a all-weather vehicle. I think it's a perfect daily, but we'll find out. Even got sweet floor mats that say Suzuki Carry. There's a, typical Washington winter weather.
Okay, let's try that again. We totally got stuck.
Alrighty. Entertaining. You can hardly lose traction. Maybe that's because of no power. It's 660 cc's with 60 horsepower. But maybe that also is because it gets such good grip.
Should you be on the outside?
No, you're fine. So much winter grip, it's insane. But either way, pretty solid.